Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for an F-150? Well, you found a very, very clean one right here. This is the 2013 F-150 on a virtual video walk around. We're going to show you this vehicle up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Making our way down the passenger exterior, you're going to notice this vehicle is fully equipped and clean. No dents, no dings, no scratches. 4x4 edition, of course. It's got the tonneau covering. Store your equipment, whatever you might have, luggage, whatever. And we're going to go take you and put you inside the interior of this truck. Take notice of the interior. You got leather, power seats, fully loaded, low miles, warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You're going to find that at one place and one place only. It's right here at Sunset Ford. So do me a favor, for more info, give us a call, email us, or text us. You're traveling with company. Look at all that legroom. Better yet, come on down and get ready to save. We look forward to earning your business, and we hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care now.